So to give you guys a little bit of insight on a future tutorial that I'm gonna be cooking for you, I have this beautiful tomahawk ribeye from DeBrucker's Charolais beef. I'm gonna be butter aging it for 60 days. Now, dry aging beef is incredible. What you get is less water weight, more enhanced beef flavor. What the butter does is lets all of that still happen without losing all the water weight. We're gonna coat this thing in butter. It's gonna have the tenderness that you want in dry aged beef, but you're not gonna lose as much weight. And we're gonna let this thing sit for 60 days. Inside, it's still tenderizing and becoming more and more flavorful as it sits. The butter is gonna protect the outside layer so you don't have to cut it off. When you dry age beef like this, you're gonna end up having to cut off a large layer of that outside because it's gonna be too dry and crusty to eat. This technique allows all of that dry aging to still happen on the inside without becoming crusty and inedible. In 60 days, when this thing's done butter aging, I'm gonna serve it with chimichurri, cilantro, lime, carrots with chipotle, and bone marrow butter. It's gonna be the best steak you've ever tried.